Be it for girls or guys, kids or grown-ups, Odyssey is a store where you'll definitely find something special for your special ones. Odyssey is known to be a book lover's paradise, but looking at the Adyar branch, I'm sure there is space for more than just books. As soon as you enter the store, a cloud of fragrances welcome you in. The perfumes counter is strategically positioned at the very entrance. Perfumes can be Christmas gifts, but they may not last even till next Christmas. I want to give Sarah and Soumya something special that will stand the test of time, like my friendship. Oops, sorry, I just got a little carried away with the spirit of Christmas. The multimedia products and cameras may be very useful, but I am looking for something more unique and girly. I found it. I found the perfect gift for Soumya. Can you just show me that one, please? It will look beautiful on Soumya and she's going to love it. How much is this?
40,000, sir.
It's good, but the simple person that Soumya is, I don't think she'll want jewelry. Thank you. If you have a big budget, then gold and diamond jewelry sets from Jilly will be a good option. Otherwise, go in for the costume jewelry from Infinity, Damini and Stone and String. Even the colorful earrings from Naini are very attractive. These Christmas trees and the decorations remind me of the movie Home Alone. The rest of the ground floor is dedicated to books. Fiction, literature, science, sports, education, religion, travel, wildlife, designing, business, magazines. Wow, it's all in here.
Yeah, I'm a regular customer for Odyssey. I come here very regularly, and you get a number of gifts, whatever you want to gift for your loved ones. And I got a purse for my friend and an alarm clock. I should really mention about the books they have in the store. They have a variety of books. You name a book, they have it.
Now I need to test that. That was fun. He must be searching for me downstairs while I'm going to go up and check out the stationery, music and movies. You can find A to Z of stationery items on this floor. The best part being they are arranged in categories that one does not spend too much time in looking for what one wants. Sarah, I'm planning to give you this pen for Christmas. In 2025 maybe. By then, at least I must be a multi-millionaire to buy you one of these pens from these big brands like Visconti, Diplomat and many more. Odyssey showcases only the limited edition series by most of these brands. For example, the Godfather series from Think and the pen dedicated to the Forbidden City. Just like the book segment, Odyssey has a comprehensive collection of music and movies. Apart from all the new releases, they have also some classics right from the 1950s. Pretty expensive. But if you're a collector, I don't think you'll have a problem in shelling out 500 odd rupees on a DVD. In fact, if it is a movie like, say, Shawshank Redemption, then I would pay to buy a Blu-ray disc copy. The -1 level is exclusively for books and toys for the kids. Unfortunately, none of these can be given as gifts to Soumya or Sarah. But then this party popper will be a great way to kickstart our party under the Christmas tree. Imagine all the colourful confetti stuck in Sarah and Soumya's hair. Ha.
Christmas is so special for children because they look forward to receiving gifts. And come to Odyssey, we have a variety of gifts for children, especially toys. If the child wants to come and select something on his or her own, the parents can give them a gift voucher from Odyssey, so that can enable the child to come to Odyssey and have his choice of gift also.
The gift segment has wall clocks, flower vases, showpieces, wind chimes and loads of other goodies. But my pick would be the dry flowers or the bamboo decorations with these wonderful aromatic candles. I've ransacked the entire store and found gifts for Sarah and Soumya. I was also planning on taking some of these chocolates, but I want hourglass figures to remain like hourglass figures. I have to rush to Sarah's place now, or I might be the roast turkey in tonight's Christmas dinner. So see you under the tree.
Ah, well, finally, I guess it looks nice now.
Yes, it does. Where is Shrikant?
Late as usual.
Merry Christmas! This one is for me.
Why?
Because
Why?
I'm pretty sure you guys are not going to come up with anything.
Well, Soumya bought stuff to put on the tree, which is her contribution for Christmas. And I have gifts for both of you. Ta-da!
Is this
Same.
for me?
Yes, it is for you.
But I don't even have a cow.
It's not for your cow, silly. It's for you. See, Soumya, my logic was this. He has the bell, he has the belly. Now all he needs is the beard and he's Santa Claus. Ta-da! That's for your next Feeding Frenzy episode. I thought it was perfect.
Oh, so cute.
Can we open ours? Can we?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. After dinner. Let's have dinner.
Dinner now?
Yeah, no, wait. I'm not hungry yet.
Sarah, I think he gave us air.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!